In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams fast. Let's jump straight in. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other modern browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top, type Download Microsoft Teams and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Microsoft website. It should clearly mention Microsoft Teams and usually has a link that says something like Download Teams or Get Microsoft Teams. Click that official link to go to the download page. Once you're on Microsoft's site, you'll see options for different platforms like Windows, Mac OS, or sometimes even mobile versions. Make sure you choose the version that matches your computer's operating system. This is important, because downloading the wrong version can cause errors or prevent the installer from running properly. Now, click the download button for your system. Your browser will start downloading the installer file. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. While it's downloading, it's a good idea to close any unnecessary programs to help the installation run smoothly. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder, or click directly on the file from your browser if that option appears. The file name will usually include Teams and end with .exe on Windows or DMG on a Mac. Double-click the installer file to start the setup process. A setup window will appear. On Windows, you might see a security or permission prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The installer will then begin extracting files and setting up Microsoft Teams. You generally don't need to change any advanced settings here. The default options work well for most users. Give the installer a minute or two to complete. When it's done, Microsoft Teams should launch automatically. If it doesn't open on its own, you can find it in your Start menu on Windows or in your Applications folder on Mac OS. Open Teams, and you'll be greeted with the sign-in screen. Here, enter your work, school, or personal Microsoft account to sign in. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start using Microsoft Teams right away for meetings, chats, and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Teams quickly and are now set up to start using it on your computer.